Yeah, good morning, my viewers. Good morning, my subscribers, and my friends and loved ones. I got a receive a comment from one Daniel Akitunde asking if I can analyze VIX with the moving averages. Of course, why not? You can analyze VIX with the moving average. This is it. Like the video I posted recently, the moving average can actually give you the direction of the trend. The moving average can give you the direction of the trend if if you follow it very well. And this is judging it from the 15 minutes time frame. If you look at it very well, whenever there is a crossing between the moving averages, I have the 14, 7 and 60 moving average. Whenever you see the crossing like this on the trend, look at the trend. The moving average is going upward, and the 14 is just behind the price, and sorry, the 7 is behind the price, while the 14 is below 7. Look at it. This is 7 is on top, the 14 moving average is below, and the 60 is far below. Whenever you see it in this format, know it's a long buying trend. This is the 15 minutes time frame. Imagine buying from this level, this position now to this very spot. You know how much how much you would have realized, buying from this level to this level. So it works. This works very well. It has been working, and it's still working up to date. Imagine, see how the movement is until this level before the trend took this little retracement and continued again. It took this little drop, and continued buying until it gets to this position. And when there's a crossing between the 7 and the 14 moving average, whenever there's a crossing between these two, take it that the trend is about to change. Let's analyze it. Let's look at it very well. Whenever you see a crossing between the two, if it's in a buying trend and you see a crossing, the trend will automatically change to a selling trend. If it's selling and you see the crossing between the two, the trend changes immediately. Look at it. Look at the crossing. Look at this crossing. Look at the 7, which is the red, crossing the light blue from top, and look at the 60 moving average on top of the price. This indicates a long buying trend. Look at it, and look at this one now. Look at this one. Look at this one. The crossing, Middle East crossing came. You see, it took a little sell position before this little retracement, and the selling continues, and it moves, and you see the movement. So you can actually analyze the trend using the moving average. It is very possible. Look at it. When the trend got to this level, look at the crossing. Only the crossing between the 60, 14 and 7 moving average gave us this little buying position. And it went further, it continued again until it gets to this position, and furthermore to this position, and it continued going back and forth, still in the buying trend, because the 60 moving average is below the price. Whenever the 60 moving average is below the price, it will always buy. It will keep buying. Until it gets, until there's a crossing between the three moving averages again. And we are getting there. Look at it. It's still buying. Even though there's a little retracement, it will continue to buy, buy and go back and forth. As long as the moving average is still below or behind or under the price, it will keep going back and forth. And look at it. It's about to hit a selling trend, because there's a crossing now, and this is a signal that the trend is going to sell. So if you are online now, you can take your position, because at the 15 minutes time frame you are going to experience a little movement of the selling candle. So it is true that you can actually make money trading forex. Like so many persons have asked, is it really possible to make money from the forex market. Yes, it is true. So many persons are doubting, doubting the result we are getting from this, and I don't want you to, I want you to look at it closely. If it is not true, then I won't be here making this video. I won't be here making this video. It is true that there is money in the forex market, because if you look at it, the forex market currently is the largest market in the world. The largest market you can really make money from. It is the largest market. Look at the trend is changing. Look at the crossing of the moving average, and we are going to experience a sell. If I want to take position now, I can take. Let me stop my position here. 1847.2. So I can actually enter the trade here. 1847.2. Then I increase. Okay, I'll go with this lot size. Okay, I'll take a sell position. Okay, I just took a sell position and look at my position. Look at where my TP. This is my TP now. This is my take profit level. So I'm expecting this trend to move down to my TP before any form of retracement. So let's observe it, guys. Let's observe it. The medium I'm using to make this video now, I can't just pause it now. If I pause it, it means I have closed the video. But I want to assure you and guarantee you that this is a selling trend. This is a selling trend. There's a confirmation candle here that just gives me the confirmation that this trend is going to sell downward. It's going to sell, and let's look at it, guys. Let's watch it. So if you are online, if you are trading now, you can do yourself a favor and go take a trade now. Thank you very much, guys. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel. Like my videos and give a decent comment. And if you want to join my VIP signal group, fine, you can come in. You can come in. The group is for everybody. But if you want to be a VIP where you get positive signal, 9-10 signals per day, very profitable signal that will give you, the profits for the day, profit that you can hold and say, oh, I make money for today. That kind of signals is available. But if you want to free, no problems. You can still come in. You get 1 or 2 signals for the day for free for those free subscribers, because I know it is not everybody that have the money to subscribe, but some people want the free. Okay, let me test it, let me try if this person is good, if what he's saying is okay, they want to give it a try. I want to be convinced before I go into this business. Fine, you can come in, and let's work together. Okay, so see you in my next video, and one love, guys. Cheers.